What's up, everybody? Today I'll be showing you what to do when your battery dies in your key fob and you can't unlock your car anymore. So every key fob should have a key on it. Then you just slide it up, you pop it out. Once your key is popped out, you can unlock your car. Then once you've got into your car, your push button is not going to work anymore because your battery is going to be dead on your key fob. So I grab my key, I put it up, I push it out a bit, I grab my button, and then you can put your key fob in and you're good to go. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.